Einstein Bros Bagels landed on CSP's 20 Great Coffee Programs for 2024 list, with 50% of consumers reporting very good coffee quality. The Lakewood, Colorado-based chain brews its premium coffee fresh every hour using 100% Arabica beans. The varieties include vanilla hazelnut, medium roast, dark roast, and decaf. Other coffee offerings include cold brews in several flavors, iced lattes, cappuccino lattes, chai tea lattes, and other hot and cold espresso beverages. I went to Einstein to check the coffee out for myself. First up, we have the medium roast. Let's take a taste. Definitely getting medium roast. It's not too bitter, but it does have almost like a little bit of a charred taste, like they roasted it a little long, but I could see that it was brewing fresh. It's very, very hot, perfect to accompany one of their bagel sandwiches, a very strong, albeit medium coffee. Next up was the classic cold brew over ice. This is just their regular cold brew, lots of ice. We'll see if that has any impact on the flavor. Let's take a taste. Definitely smoother than the hot coffee. It has a really nice aftertaste, like nutty almost, but nothing too forward, just very, very pleasant. Yeah, really great cold brew. Last but not least was the caramel cream cold brew. This is classic cold brew coffee swirled with caramel and cream served over ice. Let's go ahead and take a taste. Definitely sweet. You can taste the caramel. It's coming through a lot. A good dessert option on top of that cold brew. With these three, I'd say my favorite is this cold brew, just black. It's perfect. Has a great aftertaste. So smooth. Yeah, definitely a great option. And then if you're on the sweeter side, the salted caramel cold brew is also a really great choice.